Hello guys, welcome back once again. So we are looking at this equation. We have negative 9x plus 57 all into bracket exponent x is equal to 729. So in this case, we are looking for the value of x. Okay, and please, if today is your first time of visiting our channel, kindly subscribe so that we all enjoy tripping and nice questions together. Thank you for doing that. So let's move straight to the solution. So with this, what we can do is to let y equal to the equation in the bracket, okay? So we say that let y is equal to negative 9x, okay, plus 57. So from here, you can say that we are going to get negative 9x is equal to y, okay, minus 57. So from here, you can decide to divide both sides by negative 9. So we get our x is equal to, so this one will cancel this. So we're going to get, from here, we get negative y, okay, plus 57 9 like this. Okay, so this will be our x. So now let's go straight to put this into our equation. So our equation now becomes everything here is our y. So we say that y into bracket exponent x is equal to 729. And then y, this x is now this, so we are going to get minus y plus 57 on 9, which is equal to 729. Okay, so with this, let us find a way to omit this 9. Okay, by doing that, we have to multiply both exponents by 9. Okay, so we have to multiply both exponent by 9. So we are going to get y minus exponent y plus 57 on 9 multiplied by 9, and it's equal to 729 exponent 9. So this one will take out this, leaving y exponent y negative y plus 57 is equal to 729 exponent 9. Okay, now let's focus to reduce this 729 into some simple terms. So we get 1 exponent negative y plus 57 is equal to now 3 is 3 exponent 6 will give us 729. So 3 exponent 6 to bracket exponent 9. So from here we have y minus is y exponent y plus 57 is equal to 3 exponent 6 times 9. We are getting 54. So 3 exponent 54. Okay, we have to let the left hand side look the same as the right hand side. Okay, so by doing so, we have to add 57 or subtract 57 from both exponents. Okay, so let's subtract 57 from both exponents. So we're going to get y exponent negative y plus 57 minus 57, which is equal to 3 exponent 54 minus 57. So we are going to get y exponent y 57 minus 57 gets 0. So it will be y exponent negative y, which is equal to 3 exponents. If you look at this, you have 3 exponents negative 3. Okay. So bear in mind we are looking for the positive value of y. So we need to make this negative y to become positive. By doing so, we need to multiply both exponents by -1. Okay, so we are going to get y exponent -y multiplied by -1, which is equal to 3 exponent -3 multiplied by -1. So we are going to get y exponent y, which is equal to 3 exponent 3. So by comparing terms, we can see that our y is equal to 3. Okay, so say that our y is equal to 3. Now, let's recall what we said. We said that -9x plus 57 was equal to y. Okay, and now y is 3. So we are going to get -9x plus 57 is equal to 3. Okay, so -9x is equal to 3 minus 57. So -9x is equal to -54. We divide both sides by -9 here. So this one will cancel this. So our x is equal to, then this cancel this. Okay, which is 54 on 9. And 54, 50. So we get s is equal to, goes into it, then it goes to 54 6 times. So we say that our x is equal to 6. Okay, so this is our value for x. And please don't forget to subscribe for more. Bye.